Thailand has countless delicacies that are mouth-watering. If you have worked in the food manufacturing industry, you must know that flavors are essential to these delicacies. Our factory specializes in the R&D and production of food flavors to ensure the highest quality products. Our food flavors are widely used in dairy products, meat products, snacks, and other food manufacturing industries in Thailand. In this dairy factory, our food flavor is used in the production of different products such as milk, cheese, yogurt, and so on. Our flavors can give these products different tastes, making them more attractive. In this meat factory, our flavors are used in barbecue, ham, and other products. The use of our flavors can bring rich taste and deep taste to the food, thus making people like these delicacies more. In this snack factory, our flavors are used in fries, French fries, and other products. Adding our flavor can not only give the food a delicious taste, but also make the food more attractive. In short, our food flavors are an indispensable part of the food manufacturing industry. They can bring delicious taste, deep taste, and attractive aroma, and bring consumers a better food experience. For Thailand's dairy products, meat products, snacks, and other food manufacturing industries, to choose our essence is to choose success and excellence.